Welcome, my beautiful friends. On today's video, it's a Valentine Centerpiece sponsored by the Ladies Sophisocated Club, and I am your host on today. So on today's video, I choose to make my DIY centerpiece with my decor truck. And I also want to thank everyone for participating with us. We appreciate y'all and thank you so much. And please go back and watch the playlist. Just to show you a little of this, guys, on how I put this truck together. And I just used some of my roses I already had. I just bought a few more roses from the Dollar Tree and it came out good. I had took this apart about 2 or 3 times before I decided which way I want to go with it. I just used this greenery grass I already had to keep me from having to add so much flowers to it. You know, I used it kind of for a covering. And it was very easy, guys, so I just kind of kept playing with this. And this is my DIY centerpiece, or you can say a created centerpiece. I hope that you enjoy watching this and hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. And I thank y'all so much for joining us in this collab. We truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And all I did, guys, is begin to insert my roses around the edge of the form to cover up where you can see the format. Friends, I hope that you continue to watch as I show you how I put this together. I am your host for this month of February from the Sophisocated Ladies Club, and Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It is our founder. Guys, all of the links will be in my description box. Please go back and see what the others have created for this Valentine playlist. Thank y'all so much. And at the end, I will show you how I display it. I hope you enjoy. Friends, this is my finished look and I displayed it on my table. I prepared a Valentine dinner for two, and the menu I may prepare some steaks, grill with some onion and mushrooms. But guess what, guys? My husband said he just want a caramel cake. So isn't that easy? So I hope y'all have gotten something out of this that's inspirational. And I thank everyone for participating with us and all of my sisters from the Sophisocated Ladies Club. Guys, I hope y'all enjoy your Valentines. Thank you so much from Penny. Until I see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye.